Sok szeretettel köszöntök mindenkit itt a Realme Magyarország YouTube csatornáján, az nevében Zsolt és Francis Wong itt mellettem, aki a Realme európai igazgatója. Hi Francis.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Thank you for our invitation for this video. And the first question would be that last year was a successful year. And what was the most successful product in 2021?
In 2021, if I would say the most successful products are GT Neo 2, a perfectly balanced specs at the right price. Apart from the GT Neo 2, which also impressed me, is the GT Master Edition. So actually with the top level of the design and very popular in the market. So actually which gives us some of the insight that if you launch a balanced products with the balanced specs and with the top level design, it's gonna get the popularity in the market.
For me, the GT Master is my favorite product from Realme. Really, I like that phone very much. I know that the GT series is very important for Realme. What does GT stand for? Gran Turismo or something else?
So at the beginning, when you talk about GT, people always think about the Gran Turismo, the car and everything. It looks like similar to that. However, we define Realme GT series as greater than the great. So what we say is that we want to launch a flagship which is actually premium indeed, and it's actually representing our attitude of exploring the top-notch specs and make sure the product we launch is not just called a flagship phone, but also called a premium flagship phone. That is the reason for launching GT.
And another question, that what does 1+5+T mean?
This is our IoT strategy. One is a hub as a center, which is a smartphone, our core business. 5 is actually 5 unique categories we are launching: smart TV, laptop, smart speaker, watch, and TWS. So those 5 categories are actually connecting with everyone's life. So we want to build a center that with Realme smartphone and IoT products, people can be connected through the Realme Link app. So then we have the T. T is a tech life. If you see our robot vacuum, the smart scale, those are the tech-like products. So tech-like products are basically smaller categories of the product. They are not the main category, but they are also some of the very popular IoT and smart devices.
And what about wireless charging? We can really fast charge even the medium-range devices like the GT Master or the GT, GT2. But what about wireless charging?
Yeah, so actually, last year we have showcased our wireless charging technology, and we are also trying to launch it with our product, but we didn't till now because we have evaluated the cost of adding this product. If, for example, the GT2 series has already reached 69 euros. If we add the wireless charging into it, then the price is gonna even rise higher. So we need to make sure it was balanced. We don't add too many of the features in the phone, otherwise the price will go too high. And we evaluated what is the actual practices for the consumers to use the wireless charging and how frequent they're gonna use it and how fast this charging speed can up to. So till now we didn't find the answer satisfactory, so hence we still need some time till the time we finally launch it.
And one last question, that what are your expectations for 2022, especially for Hungary and for Europe?
So actually, for the Europe, we are already the top 4 smartphone brands for 2 consecutive quarters from Q4 2021 to Q1 2022, and we aim to maintain this position and make sure we steadily hold top 4 position in the Europe market. And then when it comes to specific Hungary market, we want to make sure we are the top 5 smartphone brands in this market first. Because we entered this market not very early, we entered it very late. We still need time to build a partnership, make sure our products are more accessible. Opening this Realme Experience Store is one of them. We need to make sure our products are more accessible to the consumers. That will help us to finally reach a higher position in the market.
Okay, thank you very much for answering this question, and have a nice day today.
Thank you, nice to meet you, and I hope you enjoy the store.
Köszönjük szépen a figyelmet, reméljük, hogy tetszett az interjú, és sok hasznos információval tudtunk szolgálni. Ha igen, akkor dobjatok egy lájkot, és iratkozzatok fel a Realme Magyarország YouTube csatornájára, és kövessetek minden közösségi oldalon. Szép napot kívánok mindenkinek, sziasztok!